What we got in, guys, a Lexus RCF 2015. You don't see a lot of these every day. Beautiful looking car. I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like before we do anything to it. Looks like it's got some custom exhaust on it. It's got some Apex ones, rear mufflers. Apex 1 mufflers. We're going to do a resonator delete on it, so we're going to show you guys what it sounds like before we do the resonator delete. You guys love our before videos. Sounds mean. Lexus RCF with Apex mufflers. Sound decibels on it, 95.1 again. So I'm going to show you guys. That sounds good. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to take the resonators off. I'll show you what it looks like under there. So on this Lexus RCF, so apparently it already had a resonator delete done by another shop. Look at them welds. Anyways, and the muffler's been installed over there. As you guys can see, Apex mufflers. Here's the part number on them. So he still wanted more sound, a little bit more flow. So we recommended putting high flow secondary cats on it. There's the OG catalytic converters on it that go right here. We're going to take them out and put some high flow converters on it right there. Baby ones. There they are. So stay tuned, guys. We'll let you guys hear it after it's done. So guys, 2015 Lexus RCF. Beautiful 5.0 V8. Let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got factory converter now. Factory converter. Like I was telling you guys earlier, 2 high flow converters instead of the secondaries. Let it breathe some more. Lexus's version of an X-pipe right there. Then another muffler shop did a resonator delete right there. You guys can see from those welds, it's not our job. There's our welds compared to their welds. You guys always diss it on us for welds. I don't know. Then 2 1/4 pipe, and then more of their beautiful welding. There and there. He's going to bring it back. We're going to redo the whole thing and probably put on some Valvetronics mufflers. But it's got Apex mufflers on it right there and right there. So it's got an Apex system with high flow cats now. There's the part number. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for it. And there's the other part number right there. But they lost the signature look of the RCF with where the tips are tilted when they installed them like that. So he's going to bring it back. We're going to clean it up for him later on. But here you go, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. And he does have them sticking out too much too, like the other muffler shop. So here we go. Lexus RCF. About to hear the startup now. With Apex mufflers and high flow cats. Here's that idle now. Very, very quiet. I got 68. That's the road noise, see? All right, give it gas. Yeah, it is a lot louder. Opened it up again. Apex mufflers again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 95. Again. You guys don't know, these come with a 5.0 V8. Sounds clean. You can add a body kit to these. Oh my God, and like drop it a little bit. Becomes insane, the look of it. They really outdid themselves on this one. Fat tires too in the back. Oh yeah, much better. Like Lexus RCF. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. There's our phone number. Give us a call if you guys ever need anything or have questions or need any help. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. So this is the customer, he owns the car. He's gonna redline it for us. Here we go, go ahead. Not bad. One more. There you go. That sounds good. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna run a full 2.5-inch system on it. It needs it. APEXi Mufflers. Look how quick it is, guys. This sucker flies. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! What a beast! Lexus RCF. Enjoy, guys. Hope you liked it.